Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix a TikTok feature missing problem. So if some of the feature inside the TikTok is missing for some reason, you can follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So first thing what you want to do is after you open TikTok, click on profile at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside profile, you want to click on the three line at the top right. Now once you click on the three line, click on versus settings and privacy, the last option. Inside settings and privacy, scroll all the way down until you see this option called free up space. Click on free up space, and over here where it says clear, you want to click on clear right beside cache and click on clear. What that will do is that will clear your cache. And where it says download, you want to click on download as well and click on clear. Click on clear and this will clear your downloads. Once you do that, close your app and you want to go inside your phone setting. And inside your phone setting, go inside where it says general. Once you're inside general, the option where it says iPhone storage, click on it. Now once you're inside iPhone storage, scroll a bit down until you see TikTok. Once you see TikTok, click on TikTok and then click on offload app and click on offload app. What this will do is this will offload TikTok, which means it's resetting TikTok. Now click on reinstall app and your TikTok will start to reinstall. Now once the reinstallation for TikTok is complete, open your TikTok app and the features which were missing should now appear. And if it's still not appearing, then just delete TikTok app and reinstall it again. What that will do is that will just reset your entire TikTok and your phone setting of TikTok, and all the missing features should be available again. So that's how you guys can fix a TikTok feature missing. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time. And you also have to remember, some features are only available in some countries. So if you're in a country where the feature is not available, then you cannot do anything for that feature to be available, alright? Because it's just not available in your country. So you need to remember that as well.